7 traits of a woman that all men love to chase. In America, more than 40% of adults are single, and it is not much different from other countries either. Knowing that you are one of them, you may either freak out or see the positive side. There is a vast pool of singles waiting for you. Now, it's not as difficult to entice a man as you may believe. A completely different challenge is to keep him interested after the infatuation phase of intense attraction. When men come to know a woman well, they develop a profound appreciation for her that is completely different from initial attraction and infatuation. A man's choice of the woman he wants to start a family with is influenced by a variety of factors. The following is a list of characteristics that men want in a partner for life. Make sure not to use this knowledge to trick or manipulate somebody, and only use them to keep your man interested in you forever. And of course, don't miss out on anything because we will reveal a big secret at the end of the video. 7. She isn't really accessible. She won't necessarily make a man the center of her universe just because she likes him. He'll have to earn her love by demonstrating his value. She won't give the impression that she is impatiently waiting a call from a man asking her out, since she won't stop doing anything just because he does. She is also not a pushover. She believes that a man should value her time because she does. 6. She makes love feel real. If she is with a man who is deserving of her, she will sincerely love him with all of her heart and soul. In a relationship, affection is essential. Hugging, holding hands, and simply being near to your partner physically may make a big difference. It creates a bond. It is a pleasant, loving sensation. No guy wants to be in a relationship with a woman who always requires distance from him or who shrugs off his arm when he puts it around her. Even though different things make different individuals happy, when a relationship develops and the honeymoon phase is past, all men desire is love. 5. She is charming. If a woman is charming and can make others smile, she has the elegance and charm to pull herself out of most difficult situations. That is far superior to being catty and cruel. Men are drawn to women because of their charm and elegance. After a disagreement, a dispute, or a timeout, charm is what works. Everyone adores a charming woman. 4. She is consistent. Being consistent is fantastic because it demonstrates to your significant other that you are who you say you are. It shows a guy that you're not putting on a fake character in the initial few months of the relationship, and that you won't transform once you're both at ease with each other. Consistency is the inverse of volatility in this context. If someone is volatile and unpredictable, it is impossible to predict how that person will act toward you on any given day, which may be annoying regardless of how attractive the individual is. 3. She has understanding and empathy. Building a healthy and fulfilling relationship depends greatly on your ability to support, care for, and encourage your significant other. Nobody wants to spend time with a constantly negative person. Men want partners who will help them succeed or in times of need. Life is full of challenges and issues that any strong couple, especially a married/seriously devoted one, can tackle together. Even men occasionally want a sympathetic ear. 2. Underneath her feminine appearance, she is a strong woman. Appearances may be misleading. A man will not recognize her strength at first. It'll take some time to get to know her, and he will understand what she is made of by listening to her life stories. She dislikes being the focus of attention, therefore she never boasts about her strength. Her behaviors will reflect the strength she gained from her painful events. 1. She is respectful. Mutual respect is a key component of a happy relationship. You might not be dating the one if you and your partner find it difficult to respect one another's boundaries and bodies. Men adore women who pay attention to and react to them. Men are wary of women who disappoint them, cause them shame, or make a fool out of them, especially in public. Generally speaking, guys are overly prideful and sensitive to criticism. However, if delivered with respect, constructive criticism from their loved ones may help them become better dads, brothers, lovers, and men overall. Since you have watched this far, we are going to reveal a big secret to you. Do you know that a guy needs a certain relationship secret ingredient in order to experience passionate, devoted love? He will constantly keep one foot outside the door without it. He won't ever be able to genuinely devote his heart to you if it's absent. And he will constantly be driven by an irresistible desire to find a lady who possesses this one hidden ingredient. But when you know this powerful hidden ingredient, you won't believe how simple, intense, and unbreakable your connection can be. I promise you that you will be surprised by this. If you want to find out what it is, we have provided a link to a free video of relationship expert James Bauer in the video description. Thanks for watching.